Okay, so I'm going to show you how we're going to tether in a van, because this is a really common question we get asked. So this is a Ford Transit custom van. My seats flip up like so. And we're going to look for 2 solid anchor points. So we're going to put one around here because it can't slide off the rail because this metal bar is here. And we're going to tether the other point here because again, it's got an anchor point here where it won't be able to slide off. So what we're going to do, I'm going to put the Movekid in. So we're going to put in their manual tethers, thread it through, like so. And then what you're going to do is just poke it down. You can lift your seat up, poke it down underneath so it's out the way. And then put your other one through your other anchor point here. Make sure it's not twisted. And then pull it through the hole. Lock it in. And then you should be able to flip your seat back. Make sure your tethers are coming out where they should. And then lock it down. So that's your tethers here. If you're only using this occasionally, you can always just leave your tethers tucked under the seat so they're out the way if you've got any extra passengers or anything. So the next thing we're going to do is install the Movekid here. A lot of people also ask about like view from the wing mirror, if you could install the seat in the front, how much distance there needs to be. You would always check if you had an active airbag. If you do, you would turn it off. I do have an active airbag. Mine's all done digitally through the van. I'd have to turn it off, turn the van on and change everything off. So for the purpose of this, we will not be starting the vehicle. So this is your Movekid. Lovely lightweight seat, 36 kilos, 125. With this one, we're going to keep the leg out because you'll get a better recline, which will allow for easier access out of your wing mirror. So when we're putting this seat on the chair, the easiest thing to do is to drop your leg to brace it. Just give yourself some balance whilst you install your seat belt. This seat has got 6 very easy steps to install it, and everything is numbered. So number 1, you're going to unzip your panel, and number 2 is your foot, which you've taken out, and number 3 is where you're going to install your seat belt. So you're going to take your belt out, follow the green holes through the belt path, lift your green clip out to the other side into your seat belt buckle. And then what you want to do is remove as much slack as possible from your belt. So you're going to push down and pull at the same time to anchor the seat. I sometimes find like physically leaning on the seat will help. So I kind of do it that way. And then you're going to put your clip over, a bit like a hungry hippo. So you're going to flip the neck over so it clips in. The next thing you're going to do is attach your tethers. So this is step number 4. They have 4 written on them. These are just going to clip into the metal bits at the back on each side, and then all you're going to do is pull these down to tighten the seat into place on both sides. Make sure your tethers aren't twisted and just tighten them as much as you can. Last step, drop your leg down and click it into place. The leg only has to be 10 degrees past the vertical. It doesn't have to be fully out. And that's your car seat in. Give it a wee test.